Nah, it's all. It's back, bro.
It's back.
It's back, bro.
It's back.
It's back, bro. It's back, man.
It's not even connected.
It's the phone. Maybe I just find connected.
Yeah, the leg is just
You can't just connect it for me. Bro, like genuinely like.
It's genuinely lacking.
What's it? The leg is an old.
Yo, W's on the chat.
Come on, we need it. See, they don't know.
This is your hotspot now.
It's cool.
W's on the chat, brother. Yeah.
Why?
Of course. Except I'm sending any emoji.
Oi.
Zulu lam, Ndaga mam, Yo,
It's on.
it's on.
W's, baby.
I'm not supposed to be using my phone now. I'm saying I'm only links the class.
W's, baby.
Say, no, WMS. See, if you comment there, I'll shame us.
It's up.
Hey, don't you been saying you commenting? I don't see shit. See, but did you comment? Nah.
Mine days.
Again.
Yeah, I just did. Like when you say on
Have a meal,
Chat. Man, we are live. Chat. We are live. Turn to me volume.
I just did my fire.
Yeah.
Turn to me volume. Which
one? You don't speak to me like that.
Too early. Nah. I just finished building your house, bro.
Yo, except Pablo, we're gonna cook most of your way, man. W's in the chat, W's in the chat.
Yo, it's blocking the chat.
We don't. Yeah.
We don't care. We don't care.
I almost said it.
We from any link.
Now you say
This is business.
yeah. But when the non-mention
Here's my chair. I can see. I saw his comment coming after my comment, but my comment was not there.
but I'm not
How stupid could the fire thing, fire emoji would be?
emotes don't really like
Emojis ain't stupid, bro. It's just fire emojis.
and then emotes will not appreciate that. Like said, this is so fire chat. This is so fire chat. I love this. Oh, this is fire chat.
Where's that guy? Make a video. Just make a video and then drop it. We ain't gonna go into it.
I would want to be easy.
I think I have a problem.
Chat. Excel. Oh, there, chat.
I don't know what you're doing.
This thing be here. Chat.
Yeah, chat. Come through, chat. If you have a screen, I'm going to sponsor. Yo, uma bem é como já falando. Yo, yamva, uma bem. Exactly.
Your phone.
Chad, what's going
on? Yeah, streamer.
Who put them on any boy?
That's one of my G's.
Yeah, WMans. Sana, yo, WMans. What's up? It's another bro I met now, man. WMans. Except we're streaming in Paarl right now, chat. WMans. Kasithon, I told you we're moving. I think I also send you a text. I also send you a text and make say what's the goal? Because we still need to cook something, you know. I owe you something.
Yeah. And don't look at me.
Whoa. Don't look at me.
Working.
We just sit here wondering.
Are we?
Yeah. What's going on, chat? What's going on? Sorry, man. Yeah, something. Yeah. Organize. Yeah. Cook something. I say, you see, I know. I say, we're on a different life, different level, chat. Different chat. You are meant to be busy now. Okay, all the links. I don't see it on your WhatsApp chat. Let my pen. Your phone is kind of high here.
Get it. Yeah.
What happened to Bertha? Wait, where the hands at? It looks like it's a diddy party. It's a no. Except Sissy, can you stand up?
Please.
Please. It was Sissy. What do you mean? Oh! Oh man, it's a diddy party chat. Oh man. Mama pema tana ndo pema kan sibe. Tuman. Kami ndo tawa kwa France. Sibe. Diddy party. Party chat. Oh yeah, you know, man, that's how it goes, chat. Go except you need. You know what I'm saying? I'm all front. Yo, shit, that's crazy. And then who came after me? Except I take them back, chat. You take them back. Yeah. The hands must stay in the front, otherwise, yeah. We're getting cooked. Yes, chat must chat you accept a different party.
What's up? Talking about
Bro. It's immense. I said
He's probably cheating alone though.
No, don't this man.
It's fine.
And so we need that word.
I think Tandazele.
I think people should come inside and we'll start. Nah, everything is good. No lacking, man.
No thanking, man.
I was like,
You're the links now.
I was felt enough. I said, everyone will come through. Mama, I don't say the best name. But it's difficult. When you nearly mama will pay. Look, you need to have e-way. Yeah. That's a big means and stuff.
Shout out to Nkosana, abakhona.
Yeah, shout out to Nkosana, chat.
Abakhona.
Can you look in the nutrition guy? Oh, W-mans. I take my words back. Except spoken in the kings, Paarl. So what the weekend of the night going.
Let me clean up this table also, man.
What you mean?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, manga before. The way I put it, Facebook needs to be that.
This guy, you have a problem. You need stuff, you need people, and you use them when they are done. Like, fuck,
Yeah, bro. Check this stuff. You say like now. Nah, you can move this stuff, my man.
No, most of you adjust.
I feel you. But start with the game.
No, I'm just saying. But
Oh, just in case.
It's just at 5. Then you can knock out.
Oh, baby. Just wanna change my life.
No.
Come on, class.
Oh, baby.
Sell it class in now.
Shake.
I must go town.
Mbekweni.
Nah.
The beer glass.
Nah, check. No. Someone else is lagging though.
We should go town.
That's what he does, but this nigga. That's what I know. He said, "Chat, you can learn now." Okay, just the way. Send me
I'm not.
Hello, babe. Yo, young Carlos, please let me not even
Thank you.
Oh shit, sorry, chat. Chat, except chat.
Just fixing up some stuff, just try it out for the out.
Yo, sorry, chat, except. Chat, what's going on, chat? What's going on, chat? Let's go. Talk to me, chat. Chat, what's going on, chat? Talk to me.
Oh, I
will do it.
One second.
Chat, what's going on, chat?
That's fine.
Respect.
Fuck you, nigga. Alright, go fuck yourself or something.
No, that was mine.
How dare you?
Except, chat, we were testing something, chat.
That's all.
You see? But now we're good. So
Ow.
you want us to chat for us later?
You guys
I said, just for 3 hours.
Nah, that was crazy.
Because he won't keep quiet. Chat. Talk to me, chat. Give me answer. What's going on? We find have a good time. I don't lie.
You know what I mean?
Wait.
Probably not the player to something. Papezo.
What's wrong with this? You should get our connection right.
So, chat, we are in Paarl right now, chat. eMbekweni. You can see Block Boy on my side.
Yes,
We
sir.
have other cats as well. And we also have into one of my toilet.
Never, for 1 second, say that again. Oh, you never. You will never. You will never.
Chat, my bad, chat.
Oh, you can suffer that.
It sounds like you must wake him up like that.
Yeah,
Not have to wake him up like that.
chat. Sorry, my bad, my guy. I'm not gonna cut this away, though. Come through.
Nah, I ain't expecting shit.
Why you moved? Why you moved? Now you back behind it. Like your phone. Yeah,
Check his
Chat, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna introduce ourselves, chat. We'll drop our Instagram handles. So call on our emails for chat.
Since you're doing the favor.
Yeah.
This is Shay.
Oh, wait.
About Shay. Hey, yo.
Now he's gonna explain.
Look at me. I'm white. Red.
I don't
Yeah.
that she must.
Look at this nigga.
Past light skin, bro. I was light skin. I was
Yeah.
past that. Almost albino type shit. See my beard. Looking red and shit all that. Right?
This nigga.
Cause the white eyes. Not just in millions. Hey, Tabang Shensilo. Find me on Facebook and on Instagram like that. Anyway, listen. Don't call me like that no more, bro.
I got you.
Like, share with me no more.
Yeah, we got you.
Say this.
Look, boy, you know what it is, man.
Yes, for
You
the
know what it is.
the Wooker.
Introduce yourself to the show.
Yeah. Dams in the chat. It's your boy, my best. We are here in Paarl, actually. I'm the G from France.
Except, okay, the hand with the thingy, that's pink.
Okay, hi guys, Tibu here on Instagram. It's T with the Gyat 4 A's. You're getting it.
Oh! What do you mean T with the gap? What do you mean by that?
Follow.
It's T
Okay.
with the Gyat.
Molo zifunge.
What's up?
That's my boy. That's my boy.
If one keeps pitching also yeah.
Can you repeat for me?
Tell me how the cats.
Yes,
She's gonna help us all.
Can you check
the blue one.
And I'm 2 1 away.
Can you feel for me?
Yeah. It's your turn to introduce yourself to the chat.
So this is the girl,
Yes, sir.
Pablo.
Yes. So Pablo, what's your Insta handle?
So my Insta handle is Toms_9.
Go crazy, go crazy. Clock it. WW. Mama Pena privacies. Okay, so no. Okay, it comes another hand. It's not a tick fast. We need to correct that. Chat.
Hey.
It says, CC, block boy, can you not block her? Yeah. That's a bad.
It is about.
Hello guys, my name is Lutana.
The girl.
Down the door, chat. Down the door,
Oh,
except my select. Don't was introduce my select.
Yeah.
The viewer themes.
Don't
W viewer themes. Sakona si viewer themes W. Yeah, get pop. Sit down.
Hold it.
That's funny. My selector, please, man. Something about the put. Yeah, he's a put. But doesn't introduce everybody. With the cat. Shit. Then go with the cat. My selector is going to give a put. I go.
Ulam. Dagamam.
But my selection means we need to play sound that is produced by you.
Are you going to play a song?
Not just yeah, the thing is, Sibalega in copyright. No copyright.
No, I have my own beats.
Okay. Okay,
that's
give
nice.
us something. But we can't. That's not just you have something on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay.
it looks so good.
Oh, that's fine.
Just check it.
Looks
Can
so
you drop my mom yourself?
T.
Double E and then delete.
Chief, the leaks.
He leaks.
Okay, I took this
Two E's, brother. Yeah, but
Let me check. I said this is my selector. ep2 is this cat is the best producer. If not top 3 at Western Cape. But you don't know about him because Unique is a gatekeeper. That's what she is. I'll keep it a buck. I'll keep it a buck. But it says if you guys are about to me on one. Same with right now. Chat going to the next week, maybe next week. You know what I'm saying? But for now, it's for me to the cats, simply people that are known. We got one of the best producers.
Just show me how they do it.
Except, bro, I went the way to come to done. I will cook.
No, deep thing is one.
But he wants.
Nigga, out here working, I want the mix, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do this thing, you know? The boy, they think they come million bucks.
That makes this perfect.
Look, with this house on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. No niggas, they call me Buddha. The project was Gabadula. Yeah, not this funny Mali, that's the same thing. You seen the ghost like you looking at Buddha. Yeah, nigga on the boys, we feeling cooler. Yeah, feeling bothered about the moolah. Damn, it's funny Mali, that's the same thing. I'm in a maze and my voice is fucked up. Now I'm singing Holy Grace. Praying to God, he get us to top, very safe. I got a plan, I tie in the knots. Yeah, fuck the off. On the block, I'm really hot and flammable. Lately, if you working very hard, it's tangible. And this young niggas growing faster than vegetables. How we planned it. Ever felt like you the greatest on the planet? Called the greatest, even the greatest understand this. Fuck around and go to court for my statements. Nah, just got a dollar, make Poppy go over budget. I probably like it raw, we shot it acting like they cousins.
What did I what? But I need you to play first. So I do it, but if it's not playing, it's cap. Yeah. If it's not playing, then
That's nice. So my house, the lines. I'm obvious to you. The next part is today.
yes.
Yeah, but there's no parts. Three dots, maybe the 3 dots.
I don't want
No, don't get down.
Friend is spending all the budget and we acting like it's nothing.
Chad, I'm trying to figure out, and I don't want to do it.
Keep the shots coming, they will not forget the subject, cause they are the subject. With this house on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. No niggas, they call me Buddha. The project was Gabadula. Yeah, not this funny Mali, that's the same thing. You seen the ghost like you looking at Buddha. Yeah, nigga on the boys, we feeling cooler. Yeah, feeling bothered about the moolah. Damn, it's funny Mali, that's the same thing. But my on me, dog, I think we going up. Yeah, like damn, they taking long, I'm like, so what? Yeah, at least we pushing to the clock. Bring them bitches up, bring them bitches cops, they're ready for us. I need this answer, cause we bout to cause a mother. I try stopping, I can say this on my.
That's crazy. He's playing there. Chad. Right, I don't want to do it. Chad, I'm still figuring out this thing.
Mama,
I can't. I couldn't catch. But it's connected there.
It's connected because Pascal said, Chat. Chat, we're trying to figure out. Yeah, Carl, on the street.
Yeah, that is not paying for us.
Ever felt like you the greatest on the planet? Called the greatest, even the greatest understand this. Fuck around and go to court for my statements. Nah, just got my dollar, make puppy go over budget. I party like it wrong, we shawty's acting like they cousins. Friends is spending all the budget and we acting like it's nothing. Keep the shots coming, they will not forget the subject, cause they are the subject. With the Zaza on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. No niggas, they call me Buddha. The budget was going through la. Yeah, not this funny Mali, that's the same team. You seen the ghost like you looking at Buddha. Yeah, nigga on the boys, we feeling cooler. Yeah, feeling bothered about the moolah. Yeah, it's funny Mali, that's the same team. With my on me dog, I think we going up. Yeah, like damn, they taking long, I'm like so what? Yeah, at least we pushing to the quad. Bring them bitches up, bring them bitches cops, they're ready for us. I need this answer, cause we bout to cause a mother. I try stopping, I can say this on my mama. Big boys for the summer. The tracksuit condoms with the young stunner. I'm on fire. For every time they told me I won't cut it. On my OT, it's not a new track, they just release me. Like I'm in jail, like I'm trying to get to TV. Like I need bail, like I need my brother's kidney. As if the doctor told my folks to release me. I know this slime kinda nasty. If you ever see what I saw, you get me.
Put something. Put something there. You know what to do with it. Open the second in the middle.
What's up?
Check this out.
Yeah, no, sharing is not carrying chat.
Here's the chair.
Yeah,
A good chair. How about we need something like we need a 70 film.
yeah.
Then we need the eye. Then whatever else can the government. Time I gotta say something. I'm just gonna say something. From outside.
Yo, Chad, can I go?
Oh, chat.
Chad, can I go? Chad, can I go?
Yo,
I removed the problem.
Chad is saying, can you tell the princess in the
Chad,
packet
Chad.
that I'm in love with her?
Chad, can I go? Yo, Chad. I can't believe I'm here now. Already there.
Which one is in the black and white? Chat, which one is in the black and white chat? Because all of them,
He was in the black and white.
you know the hands, huh? You know the hands. You see? When nigga said, can you tell the princess? Nigga is the princess. Chat.
Yeah, the black and white. Yeah, the black and
Nigga
white.
is the princess. Chat, he's a chat. Exact. Tolu tobe ngaba so tuta. Yeah. Tolu ka buka uche ngaba France. Say tolu so nele bra. Yeah. No, put the hand in between. Put the hand in between. Yeah. We need to. Yeah. Now, so to next to Paarl.
Squeezy.
Oh.
Yeah, we should.
Except you say, which one chat? Which one should do a 360 chat? It's like Pablo. I said, knew she phone then from that angle. My select and somebody ever calling on over there. The picture in time. Please select. Nigga see another picture.
Let's talk.
Yeah, but the room I select, I remember one and go up.
You gotta show up next to me.
Out for Ben, I select.
Yeah,
At the end of the story. Yeah, like at this end.
The thing is, yeah, now
Let's go take a picture now. Let me take it.
No, what you mean? No, what you do? What's wrong with you?
Everybody go crazy. So the suit come out.
Except we're taking your picture, chat, clip. Clip, chat. Clips.
When the stars on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. New niggas, they call me Buddha. The budget was going through that. I just want to my as a steady. You seen a ghost like you looking in Buddha. Yeah, they call me Poppy, go over a budget. I party like it wrong with shawty's acting like they cousins. Friends spending all the budget and we acting like it's nothing. Keep the shots coming, they will not forget the subject, cause they are the subject. With the Zaza on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. No niggas, they call me Buddha. The budget was going through la. Yeah, not this funny Mali, that's the same team. You seen the ghost like you looking in Buddha. Yeah, nigga on the boys, we feeling cooler. Yeah, feeling bothered about the moolah. Yeah, it's funny Mali, that's the same team. With my on me, dog, I think we going up. Yeah, like damn, they taking long, I'm like, so what? Yeah, at least we pushing to the clock. Bring them bitches up, bring them bitches cops, they're ready for us. I need a Zaza, cause we bout to cause a mother. I try stopping, I can say this on my mama. Big boys for the summer.
It's fine. Okay, it's
Everybody must get the picture.
We need to interact with the chat, otherwise.
Hi, chat.
Yeah, but I apologize. Because the chat is asking for a 360 from you.
From me.
Get up.
Yeah.
No.
The lady with the pink
Yes.
Struggle.
no, they specifically said the lady with the pink headband.
So the chat is asking for it.
Yeah. A young 360 chat. A young 360 chat.
Put it down, my love. Thank you.
And then I'm sitting on the way, but it's a bit.
Like now.
Today. So that's the other because we're out of the.
Yes.
Yes, here you go, chat.
Now.
Now, chat. Now.
Struggle.
Oh, that man, chat. Oh, yo, chill.
That's what I mean.
I said,
Fucking out, boy. Fucking out, boy. Stop, boy.
chill.
Mas traga.
Não trago, boy.
Yeah, we know
You have to travel this side.
There's benefit in
Olha,
travel.
tchau. She knows the struggle, my bro. Yeah, we getting lit on this bitch. Tchau.
That's why they say you must come.
It's it.
Tá bom.
Tchau.
Jago ba? Well, Jago. You sound like my mama. Champion,
Oh, yeah. Shout out, Block Boy.
Yo, on the block, who got the block?
It's it.
Follow.
The belly with the black block top. Which one is it?
Block boy, yeah.
Oh, no, it's it.
No, this block boy does.
Black what?
No.
At the back of block boy.
Oh. It's on you now.
Nah, you have to talk.
Get out the struggle.
That's what you get up.
Tito, please, man. Tito, please, man. The chat is waiting up. Get out the struggle. Yeah.
Block boy. assuming you were next shit. This thing is on or what?
But I'm sure. Yes. Whoever is boxing gonna do his thing.
Oh, should I?
Pablo. Pablo.
My phone is
I need to drop this one.
Yeah.
2008.
They said that was not a 360. What?
What?
That's what 180 you get half, bro. That's 180 you get half, bro. Come down.
It's not you.
Nah.
Oh.
Go.
Yeah, like
In the kitchen or what?
the lady got stand and she's from Natal. She come all the way from Natal, bro. I'm camping. 2 hours. Horse away, my papa. Come all the way from Natal.
We're gonna do that now. We have to do the 360.
I will never do that. I will never.
Gotta keep it a buck.
I have a plan of the 360. Get a load of him.
What about? What do you want?
Yo, check. She told me she got from East London.
My pena.
Don't do that anymore.
Pure, tu dentro presa para um.
So anyone from East London, anyone from East London. You can ask for me, bro. I can see the rookie.
No, it's in Android, this one.
Whose phone? Good for you?
Just cook something, man, please. Anything cookable. Because I cook for people too.
Did you cook for me, though?
I feel like I'm speaking. Yeah, I did. I'm speaking to the chef. You know.
Come to the shed.
Okay.
I joined up.
Focus in the chat now.
Yeah.
You have to go.
Most of us, this is in
What you
Introduce it out. Yeah.
Come on, man. We're doing this. What are you telling me to do it, man? I didn't so
You have to know.
That's right. I was talking to boy in the car. Can I check it?
I don't know. That's not.
I need to take what?
We're talking together.
Yeah, from the chat.
But we're talking.
So now we're letting the chat.
Why is not
Somebody called baddies. The chat needs baddies. They say there's not enough baddies here.
Guys,
You don't want to do it to save together and that's all.
So that's the mentality that I have petties. I'm the petty boy. No.
Me.
Or to me,
Actually,
man,
by
I'm not
then,
the one who said that she did. You guys know what she did.
Anybody want this one?
Okay, fine.
We need to interact with the chat because they have questions.
As student,
Okay, so
what's the
you
question?
introduce yourself because I need I just said
Yeah, then we go down and everybody's trying to easy. Now listen to it the order.
Okay,
You introduce
Wait.
yourself.
You can't don't know. Is it important?
It's like you choose.
If you want big, put your feet together, be big. Yes. Black people.
Oh, wait. Okay, cool. Can we do introductions?
Yeah.
Pablo. No. So voice is down, chat, please.
you got it.
Okay, we'll call him a pen. Call him, no? Okay, cool. And except it's LUB to the O extra small. Except yeah, check that song again. What I just said, Brazil. I am proud. Oh, what I was saying is, except for young session. I want to Jimmy tell you this is eMbekweni. My select. This is eMbekweni. This is the culture of eMbekweni. Yeah. The GB on the other side. Yeah. Is it? Okay, cool. This is eMbekweni and this is the culture Usipo in eMbekweni. So we are out here doing a live stream for the band to represent the culture of us. But the color bombas was introduced on here. This is LU to the OBNC extra small you one of this. The host of the most. So we are telling one, don't get into them.
Yo, chat, this is Black Boy JB, nothing much.
Oh, big boy looking like $1 million. I could have been still go to business.
Crazy. Yes.
Sorry, you know, little soul to you. I didn't even really know.
Each other, I can't.
Last one is better, man.
Okay, yeah, Pap.
Picasso.
Let's go, Pablo.
On the badness.
Okay.
This is the war. You can find me on Instagram with T with the gap with 4 A's. You'll find me there. Yes.
Okay.
What's up, South there? This is Mitchell.
My bad.
Excellent. It's important, but legend. They say Paarl.
You know what it is?
I'm Fulani.
I wish I could say it's your boy. I'm not your boy. Yeah, Tabang Shinsi, you find me on Instagram, you find me on Facebook. That's my name. I'm the hype boy of all these motherfuckers I've been using.
My selector support.
It's your boy, Shata Wale from MBK. You know what it is, the boy who got the keys.
Ndikhethe ngoku
Yeah, Baba.
ufundini ndithini ke ngoku andiyojani mna enemba because ndikhethile hayi madoda sanosokolisa tyhini indoda engafuna ukhetha ma ingakhethi madoda nisiyeke thina singakhethi thina xesha lomele ihleli into
iphula
Of course, how do I not?
necebo ndiyaphusha ngalo lonke ixesha ndiyagumba ndifuna utshintsha
sizosixela bobhanki
buda kwan tell a short time man
What's up?
Might be fucking things over. It's all wrong. Let's introduce the man. 2014. You know what it is. 2014. Let him tell us about him. Let him tell us about him in 2014. You know what I'm talking about. You're gonna let us know who he is.
All right. I didn't say I don't have to do that.
I told you I'm the hype man of this motherfucker. They know me in the streets.
Okay.
Know me.
Team so teacher.
I don't care.
Should I play the song so people teach?
2014, so
As the intro now. Is it Indian? What is that?
It was 2014, getting high on the drugs, didn't listen, I hang out with thugs, I thought it was love. Location in the Mosha cool, I dropped out of school. Umama elilanda kola utata becinga unyana ke iluze. Izihlobo nomeza benikuza, ndingamameli nomnyeni Mandela. Indalandla, 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 indalandla. Kunzima ukukholwa ukuba benikhuthuza. Inyanigele, yo kuvuya abahlali besithi ndingandaka. Okoxanduke ekuseni ndicinga ndizayibuyisa njani iminyaka ugange tolo ubulele kumdalini usindile ngokubheka phambili ndizama ukunikisa ithemba kubantwana elokishini iyafunga kuyaphumeleleka nokuba awuthathi ntweni baphuta ngoleqa erhawutini imali bayitye namathekeni kodwa umntu ushiye kulanjwa endlini bazali bakhala ezinyamezini emaklabheni bathi useliheni bantwana bakho uthi batyenoni anontlonipho bhuti. It was 2014, getting high on the drugs, didn't listen, I hang out with thugs, I thought it was love. Location in the Mosha cool, I dropped out of school. Umama elilanda kola utata becinga unyana ke iluze. Izihlobo nomeza benikuza, ndingamameli nomnyeni Mandela. Indalandla, 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 indalandla. Ngibone ithuba lotshintsha impilo kulonyaka uphele ndalithatha. Yeka isikolo laleqa iphupha ndaqomba nzumamela nomnyeni yali. Tishala nomisi behleba behleka kuthiwa ndiyeka isikolo ngenxa yebandifumene ifitshano yam. Ngidane TV nayivelanga uthatha isiqwebo ungacinganga. Fele ndatyhafa ndisivalele ekhistini yam inthandaza. Ndadlala kwi-TV ndaqala pho umbona uThixo. Fakoko ndenze i-event ndingena send igasi lagcwala ndayenza i-cent 15,000 ndayifaka ebank. No record label, the boy independent. Why usahlala egasi? Why ungafuni manager nemali? Why ungadropping ngoma no iPhone? You need a team and a better PR. Ekanimeni, cut off all the people with opinion. This is my life, ifuthi aningeni. I got a team, we building foundation ngawile journey. It was 2014, getting high on the drugs, didn't listen, I hang out with thugs, I thought it was love. Location in the Mosha cool, I dropped out of school. Umama elilanda kola utata becinga unyana ke iluze. Izihlobo nomeza benikuza, ndingamameli nomnyeni Mandela. Indalandla, 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 indalandla.
Yes, sir, chat.
Mr. Host with the most.
Because you know, we got two of the best.
Yeah,
We
we
got two
do.
of the best.
With the most.
So we gotta go this way as well.
Yeah, we're cool.
Nigga, out here working, you know, with the leaks, you know what I'm saying? Trying to do this thing, you know.
The boy, this in the chameleon box. Look, with this house on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. No niggas, they call me Buddha. The project was Gabatula. Yeah, nothing's funny, Mali, that's the same thing. You seen the ghost like you looking in Buddha. Nigga on the boys, we feeling cooler. Yeah, feeling bothered about the moolah. Yeah, it's funny, Mali, that's the same thing. I'm in a maze and my voice is fucked up. Now I'm singing holy grace. Praying to God, he get us the top, very safe. I got a plot, I tie in the knots. yeah, further off. On the block, I'm really hot and flammable. Lately, if you're working very hard, it's tangible. And these young niggas growing faster than vegetables. How we planned it. Ever felt like you're the greatest on the planet? Called the greatest, even the greatest understand this. Fuck around and go to court for my statements. Yeah, just got a dollar, make puppy go over budget. I party like it wrong, we shawty's acting like they cousins. Friends spending on the budget and we acting like it's nothing. Keep the shots coming, they will not forget the subject, cause they are the subject. With the Zaza on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. No niggas, they call me Buddha. The budget for Scabadula. Yeah, not this funny Mali, that's the same thing. You seen the ghost like you looking in Buddha. Yeah, nigga on the boys, we feeling cooler. Yeah, feeling bothered about the moolah. Yeah, it's funny Mali, that's the same thing. But my only dog, I think we going up. Yeah. Like damn, they taking long, I'm like so what? Yeah. At least we pushing to the top. Bring them bitches up, bring them bitches cops, they're ready for us. I need this Zaza, cause we bout to cause a mother. I try stopping, I can say this on my mama. Big boys for the summer. The tracksuit condoms, we the young stunner. I'm on fire. For every time they told me I won't cut it. On my OT, it's not a new track, they just release me. Like I'm in jail, like I'm trying to get to TV. Like I need bail, like I need my brother's kidney. As if the doctor told my folks to release me. I know this slime kinda nasty. If you ever see what I saw, you get me. But the Zaza on, I feel like I'm on a scooter. New niggas, they call me Buddha. The budget was Gavatura. I just want money.
Requesting a song and then we accept our man feature the 14 call.
Okay, we're doing that.
Yeah, the chat requesting it.
Kutheni ngathi ekusenkeli kaka Joe Acinga kululu bandi eksehani ndono kubane zikaka Joe Fake deposit ba ufuna uringa ngesibona nexesha lodlala Kancane ngoza ngekopola xa ngifuna kwishow and still I do this for the culture Joe Always got ask for my money kutheni ngathi ekusenkeli kaka Joe Acinga kululu bandi eksehani ndono kubane zikaka Joe Fake deposit ba ufuna uringa ngesibona nexesha lodlala Kancane ngoza ngekopola xa ngifuna kwishow and still I do this for the culture Joe I'm gonna feel like me Pupura chief cafe for the feature Steady for my cool I will not sell it from cafe look fisher Na leo ndi hiza for free Alex is in the manyogo nyandi If answers besela nda ringi Pong bani besides I'm machita atana unfisher Smango umcholo ntibona nesikhatha nupashka beshiba ya lead Tanga ngaba ya posta yinyandi ya yazu khalela lewe benimshi
Nah, don't worry. Soul's gonna come on. Whoever was receiving the first song, they know what is gonna come on.
Cause when you make ngathela negaga yebhekini exesha londi uzothi nongakrephi imate njengamshudefuna unimithesana Joe okare afuma money kutheni ngathi ekusenkeli kaka Joe acinga kululu bandi eksehani ndono kubane zikaka Joe Fake deposit ba ufuna uringa ngesibona nexesha lodlala kancane ngoza ngekopola xa ngifuna kwishow and still I do this for the culture Joe Always got afuma money kutheni ngathi ekusenkeli kaka Joe acinga kululu bandi eksehani ndono kubane zikaka Joe Fake deposit ba ufuna uringa ngesibona nexesha lodlala kancane ngoza ngekopola xa ngifuna kwishow and still I do this for the culture Joe
Always got ask for my money cause if I didn't touch it in I need ring and nicks Niggas is broke for real but high on the coat You doing the wrong fix Oga ben trepa ekapa indimu ngondara no let you no slim Ufuna unpuka but on a budget uringa nge-rider Except ngane skim Pull up in EL touch our 18 Dry I'm attending Albambi gift I'm in the flight back home thinking to myself Goddamn siqale we keep Lady from GHB say she love my clothes I lingo so I thought of the clicks Usa ended up giving a dick And I ended up running my bag up But I'm a cheat I wanna baby Dali games We gonna ball with the team team in a minute. I'm talking about something like Brian James. We gonna put it up on the map. Duffel bags, toilet full of cash. Slap I thought it would come from the shots. The cars I 2K, don't even ask. I said I'm not a joke. I see quasi uhlala nani cause ningoba limeti but not it though. Buddha so till nika but muska tapuga sometimes I pay oh. I done came from the struggle. Nihlala North pockets flat on the floor. I know how they got dropping but ngela nilimbi met.
Said I'm not a joke. All gotta ask for my money. Go tell ngathi kusenkali kaka jo acinga kululu bandi eksehani ndono kubane zikaka jo fake deposit ba ufuna uringa ngasibona nexesha lodlala kancane ngoza ngekopola xa ndifuna kwishow and sihlola do this for the cow.
Now we have to internet.
Jojo, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. I don't know about Twitter and all that. I might go on to Twitter. Jojo, this man is cannot. No, I'm not saying you live with your hand. I'm saying I cannot see the so come on. There's no way you can miss her. There's no way you can miss her. She has that. Can't miss her. Yes, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not saying he left the house. I'm not saying he left the house. I'm saying he left. But the house is over there.
Oh yeah, you know what I mean? Okay, so give me. Yeah, I think Balo, somewhere.
Wait.
Oh, God.
My chat is.
Yeah.
Do I still stand the chance of telling where these niggas like got this all of?
Okay.
But we need to do something because we can run around the set.
That's the thing, because everybody's talking.
We've been here for some time. Let's rock and roll for it. I think it's done. Okay. I think it's something.
Let me know.
So they're chica and she put in the language. Okay. That's been productive day. Then after we can rock. It was supposed to span and smash.
Correct.
As a spanning.
Discipline. I feel you, bro. My chat was we were just introducing. You see now you take like 18.
And I'm gonna look with the eyes point in the shade. Next time I'm gonna look with the eyes. Just give me your card.
Let's
Shane, let's work for it.
Yeah.
What you say, Dan?
My chat is introducing soul arc. Right? After that, we listen to the products. So I had a thing to say after that. Okay. In terms of how hip hop in the way it came through. Right? The foundation. The Konominka, the Kona operate, the Kona Tamzoni. And so many more I cannot mention right now, right?
Yeah.
Right? Because you can see the casting, how big is it now or how small is it, right? We're building up something from somewhere, right? Also like that they're putting people like out there, right?
Oh, sure.
On the map, right? On the map. We saw the features. We saw the features. We saw the numbers. The group on the YouTube you can go and check us out. The numbers.
Paarl must respect that.
Yeah. Not just Paarl, bro. Everywhere. You gotta respect. Right? We might be small and all that.
Nobody won't respect one point of view. They're not going to receive you like
You on that. You on that.
Like this from around you can't see. I'm not going to take you like that.
Easy.
You're going to get the
My
love.
chat is,
which is for me.
before you saw Ghana on the TV, Atlanta saw Ghana.
Okay, cool.
Right?
Same thing I'm saying.
So in Atlanta, they put him up.
Yeah.
Then the world saw him.
Yeah, because Atlanta put him up.
Right? If we in power, we don't put soul, we don't put purple, we don't put anyone up. That's not gonna happen.
That's right. First time I'm
Right.
asking for it.
You're gonna stick in one place. You're gonna go around.
Complain. So
Put on to the left, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, chat.
Yeah, boy, Shane.
You tell us what you can get from this.
Shane.
Yeah, bro.
Can I come in?
Yeah, you can come in, bro.
Yabo, me. Yung kuluma na saw the new poison. And I've been conversing with a lot of you guys. And me na.
Nah, nah,
Deixa por mim, vó.
Não, shooting challenge.
Deixa por mim, tô. Deixa por mim.
I mean, I'm not about young and good smells as Kulu.
Yeah.
I mean, I want us to make man. I spoke to him, I spoke to the other guy. They want the branding. I don't rap me. I don't sing. I don't teach. But I'm all about making man.
Let's go.
Yabo, you've got different brains here.
Yeah.
There's a Lubu, there's you poison, there's him, there's Paarl. There's no different things and there's some other guys. But it's nothing like Yabo, it's nothing like the bands. Sorry, my hand. We love AKA, but not now.
Better in the stream.
I think
At this moment, my clip it so they should
I'm feeling like Mas not the balance sitting on. We can make man chance. I was talking to this guy and I was talking to him about a lot of things. And in the entertainment, it's not always about rapping and singing and whatnot. I'm pushing my business me. But I'm not smoking hookah pipe.
Okay, cool.
I've got 30 of them now. There's my Q10s that you can push. Yeah, the stalls. My stalls were good, not my stalls of anything else. We can go sell food with my events. Lucky enough for me, I'm sorry, by Bandu who are doing events.
Correct.
People are doing big events.
Correct.
Now I'm going to push my hookah pipe event. It's a one to summer place in Bombay.
Yeah, bro.
But there's a lot of people there poison. And I'm not even gonna be there, but I'm gonna be pushing those things there in Bombay. And I'm gonna keep quiet about it. But I've got a salty here, I've got a new for here. So, yeah, but I'm not Paarl. If you can Tibanese a 5,000 or maybe let's say a two each of us in end up to maybe let's say 60K, then event. We bring someone to the stadium list. But if we have to bring someone big. Someone who's coming out.
Because like now like quiet. The way like going like I take it fully serious for the time. So like if we do it, to not mention the names, we can like say what. Let's not mention
Poison, who can bring a touchline here. A touchline, you can. I mean, I'm just telling you. I'm not a thing.
The chop, it's a proper chop. I feel like it's a chop now, maybe because it's produced stream we can have. I think it's streaming the foundation is just the vibes. We need the vibes because the minute we have this chop, it's touring and stuff. Maybe after 12 o'clock when we're done streaming, we can have the
Let's hook up the track.
Yeah, let's vibe now.
Let's vibe. Hey, come with the song.
You proved already. We told you who's who. We told you who's who.
Yes,
we introduced everybody. We told you there's a foundation. From here going forward, we do whatever. Host. The most.
Block party right now.
Okay, I'm going to check out. So, my favorite.
Abangaphandle benza nabaphandle.
Thembekile mntanam.
Akha
Cookie. Thembekile.
Let them cook. Let's cook.
Thembekile.
But the thing is, I don't want us to focus because there's serious when you close in the street, right now, we just
like they want just
okay, so the thing is, if you play too much music, it's a party show, so it's copyright and stuff like that. And it's a place now. When you close the stream, right now, we just no, we're gonna take you yesterday. And who saw the little
yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right now, let's run.
The humans.
Okay, like, let's get a good
Exactly.
So, like, yeah.
So the plan is just simple as we can play games just to get the vibe going.
Which game do you want to play?
There's board games here. There's cards. There's 30 seconds. There's what else?
I think it's a dare.
There's a deck. You can spin the wheel.
Yeah.
Don't really drink
Yeah, do not feel trouble.
or something like that. Or that spin the wheel, then you do, and then spin the wheel, call your ex, that shit.
On your who? Nah, I knew that. I
I
knew that.
chill.
Oh!
See, okay, my ex. Okay.
I'm making an example here.
Wait, this is the second time. This is the second time.
I'm not gonna do it again.
This is the last time you do it.
I'm not
You're not gonna do it again ever.
gonna do it again.
Fucking hell.
I want to do it again. Yeah, but I'm just saying, J-Way is just simple.
Yeah, we can play.
And then we take it from there. Yeah, but
Please.
What?
Is this game like
it's going to be displayed. They're going to see it. So I want, can such a same I want to call your ex. I want to put in.
What do you mean? Are we gonna call the ex game?
No. It's gonna be like we're gonna spin it. We're gonna put a list of things.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
We're gonna put different things. So you spin the wheel. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna call your. I'm thinking. I wanna like.
Call your ex.
Yeah, I'm zesty like that.
I think someone they have to give their own name.
Well, now you don't know they buy. Mine is called ex. Mine. For instance, I have to take a shot.
Call your one night stand.
Hug anything in the room.
Hug any
Your choice.
Just come out.
it's only 2 girls, bro.
That's the only thing about it. That's the only thing about it.
Okay. Okay, what else?
Hug anyone? Go. Just go in the room.
Yeah.
I can't.
Me, I'm gonna fight you guys.
What?
You can't fight you.
We can make a kill.
You are crazy. You can't.
We're gonna take a head. Okay, what's yours? Soltita.
You're going to fish for me.
What's something?
Okay, pass
So,
me.
I would like to be
I'm kind of sexy at all.
How far, bro? So far from the way that you take that.
Take a shot.
Can you guys give me ideas?
From
Make
the
a nigga go and have 10 push-ups.
No. I can push up here, but no. Back and push.
Okay, like mine is like the truth of the choose from truth of the.
Yeah.
One truth of the time is set of diamonds.
Tingati,
Yeah. Okay, no, that's lame.
What?
That's lame, cause like we're gonna dare anyone. Are you gonna dare me or I'm gonna dare someone?
You're gonna dare someone.
Okay. I'm gonna dare someone.
Yeah.
This is the woman will not dare.
No,
You prove it when I.
Okay, that's a privilege.
Okay, here's my chat. Here's my
Okay, you're
chat.
gonna dare someone, and that someone has to do that.
Yeah.
For what? For what? They have to be all.
Yeah, the couple.
Yeah.
Who's the company for?
What the fuck is you?
Okay. There's no couple. No couple.
It's not that deep. There's no couple. It's not that deep.
But they can't be the
It doesn't matter. Whatever that's happening. It's not that
don't.
deep. There's no thing.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
What you fight?
Cheese is taken, yeah.
I can fight it yet.
Yo, yeah, I'm trying to. There's someone who is cheap and drink up to me.
Yeah. Can you check out what can I'm just trying to follow up.
So here?
You were yapping here. Now you have to yap.
It's been yapping this motherfucker.
Yap now.
I have.
Check out what you want there, chat.
Mina for mine, eh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nicest thing you've achieved this year.
Oh, that's so serious.
It changes things.
It's not serious. You just have to acknowledge yourself and say, I did that shit and I'm here. That's it.
Compliments.
It's not big.
I think I said something about Lobo just my thing.
What did you say, chat?
Nah, fuck you.
What did you say? What did you
He said something about.
Elsie, is it open the stuff?
I said my selection.
Say something about it.
Keep fun enough to play.
Okay, wait. I don't know.
This one is fun.
What?
This one is gonna be.
I don't know.
It's gonna be fun.
Just a bomb.
Yeah.
Tell us your most controversial opinion.
Oh, controversial opinion.
That's different.
Nothing against all of them.
Yeah, tell us your most controversial opinion. Leo kwamba leo sibote ngaphandle manje.
We know I know. This boy doesn't mean
Controversial opinion.
Your life.
Okay, here's another one I'd like to add.
Now,
Something you've done that your mother doesn't know.
We are live in the stream. What if my mother is streaming still?
My mother doesn't stream.
Yours, that was mine. What did mine tell? Say maybe I wanted the chat to go up. I said, mother, you must watch this tonight. Now mother is watching.
My Facebook, no. TikTok, not interested in this kind of content. I don't want to see this anymore.
All o'clock.
Whoever goes,
It took
whoever
long.
goes, whoever takes too long, just talk about the gift. Let's come back to work.
except
That I can't see that one in.
I was still on the chat.
Check for the chat, yeah, check for the chat. But like it took too long.
Like, how can you talk with the track? You can't even rap or sing. You supposed to be dancing.
it's a real behind
For the chat, whatever you call it.
Dance! Dance! Come for me.
So you can't.
Okay, we're good now.
Out of my bad. I want you motherfuckers in this park. I don't know how to do it.
I'm talking.
Yeah. W's in the chat.
W's in the chat, man.
W's in the chat.
Yes.
I don't
Okay,
know.
sir, can we start now? Sivan, we adding again something in the wheel. Something
Let's go. Like Apple. Yo, what's up? Man?
What you want to add?
What am I just be the bush cow? I'm gonna catch you looking out. I'm sure.
Yeah.
He's on.
So, yeah.
So,
No, anything, yeah. Yeah, what you get? Put it there.
what kind of like
I mean,
Yeah. What you like?
even?
What you get?
Have to be even. Because I don't got that to try to like something cancer. You mean? So okay, it has to be. It has to be. Maybe if I could check that, it has to be something that everybody can do. Take off the top.
No. If it's fair for the ladies, then it's.
We take off the top.
What is twerking?
You're not supposed to be worried about you light skin, bro. This is black people talk.
Oh.
Take off the top.
Okay, it's coming.
I will not come for you. I will go take some way to send it by maybe like grow a plant. Should I
Oh, that's crazy.
Take a shot.
Any shots?
How?